Yeah, Scott and Haley, Deputy Plank was arrested and later released after she allegedly ignored specific orders and tried to cover it up. But her attorney is confident the department will struggle to prove their charges in court. 23-year-old Carson Plank is the latest Sarasota County Sheriff's deputy to be arrested. The charge, withholding information in Frankie Bybee's investigation. Plank was among those to respond to the home of Bybee's attempted murder victim and told detectives she hadn't spoken with her colleague who was on administrative leave. But according to reports, the two had talked, and she even alerted Bybee to the details and nature of the question detectives were asking.
We sometimes forget how human officers are. In fact, they're human beings just like us. They're afraid of danger just like us. And we don't give them sometimes any leeway that they can make mistakes.
Dr. Eddie Renier is a forensic psychologist who sometimes works with law enforcement. He is not surprised by the young deputy's actions in a stressful situation.
I can certainly understand, as a psychologist, I can understand how someone younger who is in that dangerous role of protecting each other can come to the rescue of the older officer who's in trouble.
During a bond hearing this week, we learned others had also been keeping Bybee in the loop about his own investigation.
I called him and we talked about my interview and I asked him whether or not he did anything. He said no, and we moved on.
The arrest report says Plank also failed to report a blood droplet with human hair that she observed and photographed at the victim's home. But her attorney, Andrea Flynn Mogensen, says Plank will plead not guilty. The two don't believe the sheriff's office has enough evidence to prove these claims. Someone close to Bybee tells us they never heard of or met Plank, but the two may have been friends outside of work. Plank's status as a deputy is up in the air as she is on administrative leave as well during her own investigation, and Bybee will be back in court for his arraignment on February 24th. Back to you.